Let's find a special product polynomial. Our first question is x plus 3, and it's binomial, open close parenthesis, squared. So first term, we're going to square it. Next term, square it. The mid term, I'm going to have it times 2. And the first term, x. Next term, 3. Let's organize it. We have x squared. 2 times 3, 6x, and plus 9. We're done here. What if it's a subtraction? Let's try subtraction. We have 4x minus y. First term squared. Next term squared. The middle term, since it is a subtraction, we're going to use minus 2 times first term, okay, and times y here. Why do we do that? Because this is a minus and you're taking up minus right here, the middle term. And don't forget, put at here. All right, first term 16x squared. Middle term 2 times 4, that is 8. So 8xy, so minus 8xy. Negative y squared, and we have y squared. Let's take one more look. 16x squared minus 8xy plus y squared. All right, let's try again. What if we have a question look like this? We have 3m plus n, open close, and squared. Pause this video, see if you can solve it all by yourself. First term squared, next term squared. Add, so midterm is also add. We're going to times 2, then times the first term, then times the next term. Okay, 3m squared, 9m. And 2 times 3, that is 6mn, and plus n squared. Very good job. All right, let's look at this one. It's minus. Therefore, we're going to do first term squared, next term squared, negative 3 squared, that is 9. It is minus. Therefore, the middle term gonna be minus and 2 times the first term, and then times 3. Your minus symbol already been taken care of right here. And don't forget to put add here. Continue. 4x squared minus 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 12x and plus 9. So we have 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. Let us continue. Our next rule is we're going to use a rule called a sum and difference pattern. So the first binomial is a plus b. Next one is a minus b. And what do we have? We have a squared minus b squared. Let's look at our example. And first one is x plus 5. Next one is x minus 5. Therefore, we're going to use the first term squared minus next term squared. Then we have x squared minus 25. And we have it. And let's look at the next one. What if we have 3z minus w, and we have 3z plus w? And let's look at the rule. The rule is called sum and difference. Do we have a sum? Do we have a difference? That's right. So first term squared minus next term squared. Let's keep working on it. We have 9z squared minus w squared. That's it. That's how we use sum and difference pattern. And previously we used the square of binomial pattern. Happy learning.